We made it. We made it.
We made it.
We made it to Albuquerque. We have only 6 more hours of driving.
Yes.
All right, we're on the road. We stopped at Total Wine and More to stock up for our trip.
Total Wine and More?
Yeah, there was lots more. There was Total Wine and then more. So that was nice. And now we're, I don't know where we are. We're north. We're northwest of Albuquerque. So yeah, we have a nice our 15-year anniversary was supposed to be in Scotland. Sunny, rainy Scotland. And
this is almost better.
COVID said no. And then we were going to go to Santa Fe for the week because it is the margarita capital of the world. And
COVID said no.
Nope, COVID said no. So I looked into anywhere that wasn't closed from COVID, and Utah was not closed, and I could still keep my rental, and I would not have to fly into a different airport. What's this? No. Cops. Cops doing cop stuff.
What's he got on there? Like hay bales?
Yeah. Seems like something. So, couple.
Look at it. Is that like a different?
Oh, you know what? It's an
thing?
inspection place. That's what it is. It's a New Mexico inspection place. So there we are.
New Mexico inspects. If
Oh,
I had
boy.
a business, you could do like a home. Oh, there's a squirrel. A home inspection business.
Come on.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
New Mex inspects. Oh my god. Or a glasses place.
New Mex specs.
Maybe like
New Mex in.
Yeah.
INSPECS.
Yeah.
Oh, Corie.
Yeah.
We have like 6 more hours of driving ahead of us. We had a 5-hour trip. Nah, 5 by now.
Maybe.
There's
Or
bears.
like a scorpion. If we see a scorpion, I'd be pissed. We could.
You know what there is right now here?
Scorpion?
Tarantulas.
I'm not worried about tarantulas. I'm more worried about scorpions are deadly.
So are tarantulas. Enough of them get you. We just crossed over. Well, they felt the need to put a sign at the Continental Divide,
Yeah,
and it was at
like this area.
It was at 7,300 feet elevation. And Corie and I remarked, "Oh, that's interesting." But then I said, "What does that mean?" Because I knew it wasn't the east-west separator of the country. That's some town in Kansas, I believe.
Continental water divide, basically.
But the Continental Divide, go on.
Oh God, it's where the land, like the water, it's a watershed, basically divider that anything east of the Continental Divide drains into the Atlantic Ocean. Anything west drains into the Pacific Ocean. So
How about that?
We're on the Pacific side.
Now we're on the Pacific side, because Corie even said that it felt like her.
I could tell, like my water spirit shifted toward like a cooler, darker, if you will.
We're at
like
7,000 feet
steps.
now, and this is very flat, but the whole thing looks to be 7,000 feet. And it looks vastly different. What's
Mesa. What's a tableau?
What's a gory tableau of death?
What's a butte?
Well, I don't know what's the difference between butte, mesa, and tableau is not like a thing. Well, on the screen I'm going to put butte in the definition and then a mesa.
Okay.
Because I couldn't tell you.
You know why nobody lives there? Because there's nothing here.
Because nobody lives here. It's like a self.
No, there's no water. You can't have things. You can't like take a shower. Huh?
Okay.
Well, you can't. I mean, you can, but like not a lot.
Not a lot. You're right. That was the whole. That's why people settled. Like the old cowboys.
They didn't.
They're like, well,
shower.
we could settle here, but where will we shower? Keep going.
Yeah, exactly.
There isn't much. So yeah, that was Shiprock back there. You can still kind of see it a little bit over there in the distance if I somehow do some clever editing. Huh? And again, I'd like to give my wife a tip of the hat for completely just doing her own discussion over there. Her and I have been talking for the last 2 hours, just chatting it up, good time. I go to point out Shiprock, which is a major prominent landmark. The churches. Yeah, the churches in a town in America.
There's
Can you believe them?
a lot of churches.
Yeah, in every town in this country. Have you been to them?
Churches or towns?
The towns. We're in Montezuma County.
Welcome to colorful Colorado.
Well, how about that?
Welcome to Colorado.
Well, thank you.
Thank you.
I gotta be honest with you, this is quite beautiful.
Welcome to Utah.
Well, thank you. Thank you very much. We're in Utah. Good job, Dan.